Welcome back to Open Foris Arena, Understanding Data. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to manage data records, how to update your survey, add new data, and edit or delete existing records using the Data and Records tabs. First, let's add some new data to our survey. Open the left panel and under Data, select Records. This is where all your collected records are stored. As you can see, a few records have already been prepared. To add a new record, tap the blue plus new button at the top. Start entering the plot ID. We'll keep today's date, then add the center point, either by entering coordinates manually or by selecting a location on the map. Zoom in, double-click to set the point, and then save the record. For now, we won't add any data to the tree feature. We'll come back to that shortly. Your changes save automatically as you go. The lock button only shows up for records that already exist. You can close the lock button by tapping it again if you want to make sure you don't accidentally change anything while you're just looking at the record. To view the new record, go back to the left panel, under Data tap Records again. You should now see your newly added record in the list. Just a heads up, we'll cover errors and warnings in the records table in a separate, more detailed video. Next, let's look at how to edit a record. We'll add data to the tree feature we skipped earlier. To do this, tap the pencil icon next to the record you want to edit. When the record opens, tap the unlock button at the top. Notice how the lock opens and a blue plus button now appears next to the tree entity. You can now add tree data by tapping the plus button next to tree. Since the tree ID was set to be consecutive in a previous tutorial, it's automatically assigned. Go ahead and enter the DBH, height, species, and coordinates for this tree. Let's even add another tree record for fun. Now go back to Data and tap Records. You'll see that the record shows both the creation date and the last modified date. Finally, let's see how to delete a record. In the Records list, go to the row you want to remove and tap the bin icon on the right. Confirm the action by tapping the blue OK button. You now know how to create new records, edit existing data, and delete records using the Data Records tab in Arena.